Hi, I'm Sandra LaFlamme with Coldwell Banker at 6734 Peachtree Creek Drive. We're having an open house this sunny, beautiful afternoon where you have a pool view and a lake view. The nice thing about this property is it comes with a Class A golfing membership at Terra Country Club. You get everything at this country club, and if you're a golfer, you're going to want to have a really nice place to land after a fabulous day of golfing with a whole neighborhood of folks who've been here for a long time. Homes don't change hands here because these folks, a lot of original owners, have stayed and enjoyed their home, take care of their property, and you see pride of ownership everywhere and privacy. It's close to Linger Lodge, it's close to an elementary school, it's close to everything, but as you can hear, it's really quiet. Come to 6734 Peachtree Creek Road, and a shout out to my brother Chris Voss is on the cover of Leadership Magazine. His #1 best-selling book, Never Split the Difference, Negotiate as Your Life Depended on It. It works. I'm the #1 relocation realtor in the state of Florida for this part, and top 20% worldwide for Coldwell Banker. Welcome to Peachtree Creek Court, and I'll help you any way I can. Have a great day.